In today's video, I will be showing you how to insert a bookmark in Microsoft Word. To insert a bookmark, simply select the particular heading that you want to bookmark. So let me select this heading. So go ahead and highlight it. Once you highlight it, proceed and select Insert. All right. Once you select the Insert tab, proceed and click on Bookmark. Okay. After clicking on Bookmark, proceed and give your bookmark a name. So you can just write emphasis, okay, or any name that you wish to have, okay. So let me write my name. After writing the particular bookmark name, proceed and click on Add. After doing this, go to File. All right, click on Options. After clicking on Options, proceed and select Advanced. And then I want you to scroll to the Show Document Content section right here and click on Show Bookmark. Make sure the Show Bookmarks box is checked. So just check it like that. After clicking on it, proceed and select OK. Now after doing that, you will see that now the heading that you had bookmarked has brackets. So you can just come bookmarking several headings like this one. Proceed, select bookmark, and then I can write explanation. Okay. I can also come and select another bookmark. Let's say this one. All right, let me select it, and then I insert a bookmark and write refer. All right, you can just give it any name, and after you are done, you will see that all your bookmarks have these brackets on them. Okay, and that is simply how you insert a bookmark. Now, if you want to access a particular bookmark, simply go and select bookmark, and then you will see all your bookmarks that are here. All right, so you can just go and select one of them. Let's say I want to see my book explanation bookmark, so I can just click it and select go to, and I'll be taken to that particular bookmark. And that is simply how you insert a bookmark in Microsoft Word. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a like, and please make sure you subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.